Why is your bank account always empty? Because you treat it like a trash can, not a tool. You work hard, but you spend harder. Coffee, gadgets, food delivery. Your money disappears faster than you make it. Here's the ugly truth. 1. Your bank doesn't care about you. It wins when you lose. 2. Your spending is proof of your priorities. Right now, your priority is comfort, not growth. 3. Saving when you have extra never works. You never have extra. So what's the fix? Pay yourself first. The second money hits your account, move 10% to savings. Non-negotiable. Treat it like rent. If you don't pay it, you're homeless in your future. Your account hates you because you never respect it. Start respecting it today. Stop waiting for a raise. Stop waiting for luck. Start with the little you have. Your money isn't the problem. You are. Change that, or stay broke forever.